everyone, this is Anjali and welcome to my channel. Today I am declaring something for those who don't know, that I love non-fiction books. And due to this, I get lots of questions like how can you read so much non-fiction? How can I start reading non-fiction? What are some books with which I can start reading non-fiction? So here I am recommending 3 books with which you can start reading non-fiction. Let's just begin. First book is The Millionaire Playbook by Rafael Collazo. This book is literally a gem for people who struggle with non-fiction. This book has literally everything, from relationships to habit building, from creating goals to creating happiness, and from personal and professional life to spiritual life as well. And all these things are divided into 9 secrets which this book gives us. And there is one more thing that I appreciate about this book, that is it does not have deep psychology of everything, of every concept. It just have enough amount of psychology to help you understand what you are doing and why you are doing this. And I hope you understand that. And also, I don't only recommend this book to beginners, but also to people who are already into non-fiction, because it will be like a quick revision for you as it was for me. So yes, I highly recommend this book. The next recommendation is Push Start to Auto Start by Anu Kushwaha. This book tells us about the basic foundation of a fulfilled life. This book tells us how we can balance everything, enjoy our life to the fullest, and direct all our energy to a higher purpose. This book has 10 milestones. Each has its psychology, philosophy associated with it, and it's not very difficult to understand as the language is beginner friendly. This book has many illustrations to help us understand the concept easily. Also, half of the book is dedicated to yogic science, which is really helpful and will motivate you to incorporate yoga into your life. And it also tells us how we can get out of the modern problems with simple solutions. So yes, this book is for beginners, and I think it has been written for beginners, so I recommend this book to all of you. Let's move on to the next recommendation. And it's the book that is always going to be in my recommendation list, because that book has made me a reader. And if you know me, you know the book as well, because I cannot stop talking about it on all the social media platforms and in person to person. So yes, and also please, I want to mention that it will not going to be a biased recommendation because I like that book. No, that book comes under the list of most read books of the world. So yes, the book is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This book comes under the category of self-help, and it's a blend of fiction and non-fiction, and a beautiful blend, really. Believe me, I've read this book 4 times. This book is a story of a guy, Santiago, who is traveling the world in search of his treasure, his desire, and his passion. This book talks about many things like desires, passion, dreams, universe, and many, many, many things. This book is perfect for those who want to start reading non-fiction, as it starts with a fictional story and it has many elements of non-fiction, which makes it a perfect blend and a perfect book for non-fiction beginners. So yes, I highly recommend this book. Do read it and do tell me what you think about this one. So that's it guys, these were the 3 books: The Millionaire Playbook, Push Start to Auto Start, and The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. These were the 3 books. These are the 3 non-fiction recommendations from my side. If you want to know any other recommendation, or if you want any other kind of video, do let me know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe me on all the social media platforms. And I see you guys next time.